Success isn't built in a single workout. It's built in the thousands of mornings when no one is watching. Every sunrise offers a new opportunity to become stronger than yesterday. Preparation separates professionals from amateurs. Strong bodies are built by respecting the process before chasing the results. Every repetition teaches discipline. The weight doesn't just challenge your muscles, it challenges your commitment. You don't need a luxury gym to change your life. What matters most is consistency, dedication, and the willingness to begin. Growth doesn't happen only during training. It happens while you recover, refuel, and prepare for tomorrow. Perfection is impossible. Progress is achievable. The strongest people aren't those who never fail. They're the ones who refuse to quit. If you enjoy these workouts and want exclusive training videos, become a channel member. If you're looking for the equipment I use, check out the products tagged below. Every workout is a promise to your future self. Keep showing up. Keep believing. Your greatest transformation is still ahead.